This my video has gotten 3,000 views since it was established or since it was uploaded. And in this video, I'll be talking about how much YouTube paid me for 3,000 views. I'm going to be screen recording the analytics of this video, and then I'll be mixing it with this particular video for you all to see how much YouTube paid me for 3,000 views. Now, moving to the analytics of this particular video, I can see that this video has gotten 3,007, like 3,007, not 37, no, 3,007 views since it was uploaded, and YouTube has approximated it to 3,000. Now, this video has gotten 124 watch hours, and this video has given me 55 subscribers. Now, if I move to the average view duration of this video has average view duration of 2 minutes 28 seconds. That means on the average, each person that has clicked on this video, they watched for 2 minutes 28 seconds. This video has average percentage of 20.2%. For how viewers found this video, I can see browse feature and it has the highest percent, which is 32.6. I can also see other YouTube features. I can see suggested videos. I can see YouTube search. I can see channel pages and others. Each of them has their own percent, but the highest is browse features. Then external sites or app that are suggesting this video. I can see Pinterest. Oh, my sweet Pinterest suggested my video. Oh, that reminds me. I think I've not uploaded on my Pinterest page in 2 days. Sometimes Pinterest is encouraging and sometimes Pinterest is discouraging. Like, okay, I'm not yet to talk about Pinterest. I'll leave that for another video. But I can see Pinterest. Wow. And do I say coincidentally or fortunately, Pinterest has the highest percent for the external site or app that is suggesting this video. So I think I've been discouraged to keep uploading on my Pinterest page. I have to go back to it. So Pinterest has 33.7% and Pinterest again has 12.9%. Then Pinterest again, are you seeing it? I'm going to zoom it. Pinterest again has 11.9%. As in Pinterest. Wow. I'll go back to my Pinterest page. I've not uploaded on Pinterest in 2 days. I've been angry with Pinterest, but I'm going to upload two videos on Pinterest today. So the next one is WhatsApp and then whatsapp.com. Now for the content suggesting this video, because this video is a tutorial on how to cut a kind of trouser. It's a tutorial on how to cut a particular kind of trouser. So the content suggesting this video is how to cut and sew trendy Ankara. It will be jumbo pants because this trouser is a jumbo pants. Then how to cut and sew Ankara jumbo pants, how to cut Ankara jumbo pants, all of them. Then the next is playlists featuring this video. I can see that this video also got some views from playlists. All these things are important. I talk about them a lot in my videos, especially when I'm talking about how much YouTube pay video like this. Be using your playlist, your end screen, your cards. Put your links in your description box. They have their own benefits, each of them. You can see now I got a particular percentage of views from my playlist. What if I didn't use it? I wouldn't have gotten this particular percent of views. Then I can see that people that turn on their notification bell, some of them, once they got notification, they watched. I can see YouTube search terms that people are searching for before they found my video. All these things, you should be mindful of them. They are very, very important for your content growth. They are very, very important. All these YouTube search terms, you should always check them out so that you will know what your audience are really, really searching for, so that you will know what to create your next topic around. If not the same, at least similar, because you know that they are of high interest by your audience. Then I can see all of them. I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so I'm just moving straight to the engagement on this video so that I can get the revenue on time, because I know that a lot of people are watching this video just to know the revenue, and I know that a lot of people will even skip or forward this video to the revenue parts. I can see you. Don't forward it. Keep watching. So for the engagement, I've spoken about the watch time. I've spoken about the average view duration. I can also see the likes and dislikes. This video has some likes and dislikes. Then I can see I can also see that this video got some views from end screen. You see, from playlist now end screen. All these things are very, very important. Then I can also see I don't want to dwell too much on this. I'll be moving straight to audience of this video. For the audience of this video, I can see the device type that people are using to watch this video. And mobile phone as the highest percent for all my content. Mobile phone used to have the highest percent. Mobile phone has 95.4%, TV has 2.6%, computer has 1.4%, tablet has 0.7%. Then I can see the age and gender. For the age and gender, a lot the 100% of people that have watched this video, they are females, and then the age range is within 25 to 24 years. Sorry, 25 to 34 years and 34 to 35 to 44 years. Then you can see that this video has higher watch hour from not subscribed than subscribed, and this means that a lot of people that have watched this video, they are not subscribed. Then I can also see the top geography of this video, which is Nigeria. Then the next is Ghana. Nigeria is 53.1%, then Ghana is 1.9%. Then it's also got some views, tiny views from US, which is 0.6%. Then it's got tiny view from South Africa, which is 0.4%. Then that's it for the audience of the video. You see, all these sub geographies, all these device types, they have their own explanation, like bulky explanations. They have what you should know about them and what you should watch out for about them. But I'll not be making that explanation in this video, because I think the video I uploaded before this one, I made explanation on them so that you understand how they can affect your channel. You understand how they can affect how much you earn on each video. All this top geography, all this device type, there's a way they affect your channel positively and negatively. So if you want to watch that, just check out this video that is currently showing on your screen. Click on that link. In case you missed the link up, it will also be down in the description box. Just check it out so that you understand how these things, device type, the countries that people are watching your channel from, how they affect your income on YouTube. Yeah. So moving straight to the revenue of this video. This video, since I uploaded it, has earned me $1.51. This is a 3,000 views video. This video has 3,000 views, not 1,000 views, 3,000 views, and it has earned me $1.51. So how I made this money is from watch page ads, and then the CPM of this video, which is how much advertisers pay, is just $1.52. Then the RPM of this video, which is how much YouTube is willing to give me from the money, the amount that advertisers paid, is 50 cents. 50 cents, yeah, 50 cents for 1,000 views is 50 cents. If it's 50 cents times 3, oh, I can see that's where the $1.51 is from. It's like 50 times 3. Yeah. Then I can see the earning ends by all of that is not important. What is important is this video has earned me $1.51 without any negotiation. This niche is a very low paying niche. So all I will say is, please, if you are choosing niche on YouTube or you are considering changing your niche, please know that there are high paying niches and there are low paying niches. I made a video talking about the high paying niches. I made another video talking about the niches that you should avoid on this YouTube. If not, you'll just be creating content, you will not make any money on this YouTube. If you're interested in watching video on the high paying niches, click on this box that is on this side of your screen. And if you're interested in watching the video on the niches that you should avoid completely on this YouTube, if you don't want trouble, you might be uploading and be going scot free, and when it gets to the monetization time, you see that trouble will just YouTube will just deny your monetization. So if you want to watch those niches that you should avoid, click on the video in the box on this side of your screen. My name is Oluwatosin, in case you are new here, and consider subscribing. And don't just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I start uploading a new video on this channel. If it has been helpful to you, this particular video has been helpful to you, give it a thumbs up. All the videos I spoke about in this video, the links to them will be down in the description box. If you miss them on the screen, just check the description box down below of this particular video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.